यार मैं बहुत opportunity दूंगा. Please let me have everyone seated so that I can start the event there. I'll give lots of opportunities for photographs later. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Second time this year I'm getting this opportunity. It looks fantastically huge. And welcome everyone. So we're going to come to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo in just a bit. But before that, while I can have some silence, it would be very nice.
And now to call upon the one who is our Dhan, the one I met 27 years ago. And we were, I think, just 20 when we started. And we made our mistakes together. We made our fun together. We did everything together. And even now, when I'm lining up a shot, he knows what is going to be taken. When he's giving a shot, I know what he's going to do. And he's everything to me and Mr. Salman Khan.
Would you like to say something, sir?
Said everything.
Yes. All right, so
You can't beat this.
No, when I went to narrate this subject to Salman Bhai, very hesitantly I told him, Salman, मैं ये title रख रहा हूँ Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So nice close-up of silence. And he said, सूरज कोई और director होता बाहर फिकवा देता. But you, this name. So that is what he is to all of us. अब बोल दो कुछ.
27 years ago we met. I did my share of mistakes. He did not do any. And we did not do everything together. From the day we met each other, it's just a bond. And I've worked with a lot of directors, I've worked with a lot of people, but the love and the fondness and the respect that I have for Suraj, I don't think I have for anyone. And today I think that there have been lots of directors, lots of them in our film industry. I am fortunate. न बोलते हैं कि इसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था, उसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था. You know, people living, people no more. I'm happy that I worked with one person, and that is Suraj Barjatia. There is, as a director, as a human being, there is nobody better in this world than Suraj Babu. हम लोग यहाँ पे चश्मा लगा लेंगे, वो बेल्ट का स्टेप कर लेंगे, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें स्टाइल में आ जाएंगी, हेयर स्टाइल आ जाएगा. This man, when you leave the theater, he makes you a better man when you leave the theater. Not only better, much better. And that hangover lasts for the longest time. When this man directs a movie, bhai, that's license hai uske liye. When Suraj Babu directs a movie, there's so much of niceness, there's so much of purity. Because he has seen that life. When he comes to action, when he comes to the negative side of writing dialogues, he's at sea because he's not seen that side at all. So when you see his movies, he brings back our culture, our Hindustani sabhyata that we keep on losing. He keeps on, drawing us back to that. He keeps on drawing us back to our morals, to our roots. I think there is no director, no human being better than Suraj Barjatia.
Shukriya. Anupam ji, sir, if you could please come on stage. Neil, Nitin, Mukesh, dapper as always. And in no particular order reference, Deepak Dobriyal ji, आ जाइए sir stage पे. पप्पी जी कैसे हैं आप? स्वरा जी आप भी आ जाइए stage पे. And Arman ji, I love the shoes. Please आ जाइए stage पे. This is a extremely large and good-looking cast. Now please fire away photographs. So what is this? What is the deal with the teaser poster where it has to come? Why don't we see your face a lot? In Bajrangi, it was your lips and it was that locket. Here, it was your back.
See, in Maine Pyar Kiya, it was this.
He was the first one to do it, by the way.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Not much has changed.
So they've just shifted the camera. I'm in the same position. किसी ने सामने से तस्वीर ली, इस बार पीछे से ले ली तस्वीर.
Why change a winning combination?
Pardon?
Why change a winning combination? Huh? Just turn it around. Okay.
So when we decided this teaser poster, it was supposed to be released a few days ago, like almost like weeks ago. So kahin na kahin, you know, the fans sensed that we're coming out with the teaser poster. You know, things leak. So ready nahi tha, isko ye change karo, wo change karo, and him being so particular about everything, you know, get this out, put this in, all that stuff. And then I realized कि अब इतने दिन का build-up हो गया है, 10 दिन का build-up हो गया है, जूते पड़ेंगे इसके ऊपर कि 10 दिन के बाद I said, release this, you know, don't release. But it was accepted.
Like I said, the color worked also very well, and of course, your back.
I don't think it's the color. I think it's just the feel to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. That is working.
Fantastic splash of color in the film. It looks so grand. It's almost like a happy birthday every single day when you're watching the trailer. So the entire bit of being cast in a Rajshri film, how did that work out? Was that bachpan ka ek dream jo pura ho gaya?
I think Surajji should actually tell you all the story of casting me.
No, first you will tell us the experience of coming on board, and then of course I will redirect to Surajji. So you get the call and then you suddenly say, oh my God, I'm going to be the Rajshri heroine with Salman Khan. Yeah. So let's talk about that.
I think it's obviously an amazing, I'm very privileged to have been. And I think everybody in the media except for Salman knows that I've been a huge fan of his since I was like, since a really long time.
Nothing has changed other than that as well.
And nothing has changed. And he obviously doesn't read my interviews, but I've been a huge fan of his. So I was a bit nervous. Thanks. And so, I mean, it was a little intimidating for me to be on this set, but I was also hugely, I was very excited and nervous, and but I never felt that after the first couple of days of working with them, because Suraj sir gave me so much love, and I felt so cherished on that set that it didn't, like the whole, it was such a huge deal, but it didn't feel like it. I just felt like I belonged there. I felt like I was part of the family. So
just confirm your next one, huh?
Yeah, 100%.
So tell me something.
Huh.
Is it very scary to lose your temper on a Suraj Barjatya set?
I don't
Because I'm sure that nobody does.
No, there's one man who's doing it.
Yeah. Nobody but he didn't lose his temper either, because I worked with him on an ad shoot. It's completely different. But I think everybody on the set is amazing, and everybody really wanted to be there. So we all really worked hard, and we were happy to be there. So it was the best experience working on the film.
Surajji, everything is so grand, it's so beautiful. Everything works at the box office, and this one will also completely, there's no question about it. But how do you maintain decorum, and how is it always the same for so many years? Salman sir said it himself, not much has changed. The way we're seeing it, not much has changed. It looks all beautiful. But how, is it in build? How does it happen? How do you maintain with so many people on the set? Must be 500 extras as well, dancers and everyone.
I think because being grown up only in big families, so you know how to take everyone along. And then you have to manage him. You have to wake him up. And then you have such talent. You have Anupam sir, Neil, Arman. Half the time, Swara, you're not directing them. So they do their own bit. You have to just write a good scene. But when you make a family film, it is family, and family works in huge. You have to. That's what it's all about. You know, it's whether हम लोग रामायण पाठ करते हैं, हम भागवत कथा रखते हैं, but you go out for a dinner with the family and see the joy. So it's the same prasad. So that's what all my films are, and somehow I'm able to take it along. So.
Okay, one big question the world wanted to know. That beautiful electric blue or whatever the color it was of that Sherwani was fantastic. It took everyone's imagination by storm. Did you choose that color, or were there other colors that you were thinking of?
I think we chose my choreographers, my DOP.
Right.
We all chose Alvira, Ashley, and of course it took us a month to choose. Okay. But a blue or white, blue, white, blue,
You know, I can't find that color anywhere. I've tried to looking for it. I thought I wear a really, really electric blue shirt. It's not possible, and you've made life very difficult for all of us, especially Salman sir. Salman sir, I have to ask you this. You saw the, I mean, I know sometimes you see stuff like when we also see it. You know, sometimes you see the trailer with us only, and that's the way it works. What was the first reaction that you had when you saw the teaser poster? Then, of course, there's another one that came with you and Sonam, that's there at the back. But is a homecoming, yes, but there's so much.
He decided it.
Sorry?
Not when he saw it, he decided
He decided it. Anupam ji, this shoulder of baggage of acting talent that you carry with you. So when you come onto a set like this, and as Suraj ji said, everyone was doing their own stuff, as he so modestly put it. So coming into this zone and this fabulously grand film, you know, your thoughts, you got Salman sir there, you got Sonam, you got Neil, you got Arman, you got all this powerhouse of acting talent. So how do you experience every day? Is it a challenging thing at all for you anymore?
To answer your first part of the question is that I don't carry the burden of being, of my acting. It's the lightest weight on my shoulders. Suraj's first job was given to him by me, 31 years back. He was an assistant on the sets of Saransh, and he was standing in the corner being the producer's son, and nobody was giving him work. And I was a newcomer, and I saw that, I knew who I was. I said, Suraj, please मेरे कमरे में जाके मेरे dialogue की file लेकर आओ. I've never seen an eager guy to do a job. 31 years later, his eagerness has not changed at all. I think I personally feel that when you want to purify yourself as a person, you go and do a Rajshri film. It cleanses you not only as an actor, and you were asking whether how does he manage? There is no management. It just happens. हमारे मन में इसके लिए
Kher Saab, Alvira, my sister, went for all the narrations and the clothing and fittings and everything. She used to come back and she said, I have to meet Suraj every 15-20 days.
Really?
So 15-20 days, I'm fine with mom, I'm fine with dad, I'm fine with my husband, my children, and then I start fading out. And then I realized, no, this is not working. Where is Suraj Barjatya? I need my drug.
And every member is of his family. Everybody, Kamal Babu and Raj Babu, everybody, his wife, his sisters, everybody is like that. They have stopped making people like that. So I think, it's not the color, it's I think his heart which is in his film that you're not listening to my answer. Hello?
Yes, sir, sorry.
Listen to my answer.
He's thinking,
you listen to my next answer. You'll ask me a question, listen to my, till then look at me.
I apologize, sir.
No, so I want to tell the media, friends from media that I finished the dubbing today. And I tweeted, and I want to reiterate and say that again, that this is his masterpiece. This is Salman's best film till today, and this is Suraj's best film. And you're very lucky, my young lady, to be part of this film. You're my friend's daughter, and we are all very lucky to be part of this film, because when history of cinema will be written, Suraj Barjatya's name will be on the top of it.
High praise and well-deserved. Neil, was this a meditation camp for you as well?
Well, I guess so, yes. because initially, for the first couple of days, I thought this was it was a set that I was just going on to, and these guys weren't real. Because we're so used to, from assistant direction days to acting days, to see a set with so much chaos on it, to going on to a set where the director's so calm. So initially I thought it was all a big lie, till I realized that no, I am the lie who's come on the set, and this is the fact, this is reality. So yeah. So,
That's well done.
nice. Yeah.
Though you've tried to break tradition by wearing something not traditional at the event, so it works.
Yeah.
Slightly different, yeah?
I was trying.
Right next to you, what a contrast. I love the shoes, love the outfit. ये आपके लिए meditation camp था सर?
इतने sincere, चीज बोल रहा था मैं सूरज बाबू के बारे में और जूते ने distract कर दिया मेरे को, मतलब कि now मैं बोला कि ये भाई इसका लाइसेंस है कि नहीं पहनने का, ये देखो.
But I don't know whether they can see this. अरमान सर एक बारी पैर ऐसे करो ना.
ये लो भाई देख लो.
कैसा रहा?
I would actually like to start by saying thank you to Suraj sir, to Salman bhai, for giving me this opportunity. I always wanted to be a part of the Rajshris and Suraj Bajatias since I've seen Maine Pyar Kiya. It's been a pleasure being a part of this. There are no words that I can express. This has been one of the best production houses that I've worked with, the best director that I've worked with, and of course, the best actor right behind.
And that's a lot to say because he's worked with his father a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Home production
really,
ज़्यादा ये home production है.
I've enjoyed it thoroughly, and I wish that Suraj ji and Rajshri Productions gives me a chance every time.
Wonderful.
Plays the villain in the film, and I've had this big struggle to make it poetic and poetic and poetic and poetic.
And then of course, we come to this end where there's an acting powerhouse here. I love this guy and I hope that he continues to get so much work. Big round of applause for Deepak Dobriyal. And for Swara Bhaskar as well. So happy to see good talent get great situations. अभी मैं आपको ना इसके साथ मैं कुछ पूछवाने वाला हूँ. सलमान सर सामने हैं. मैं जब सलमान सर को देखता हूँ तो यूं हो जाते हैं हम लोग, यार सर हम पर भी मेहरबान हो जाए. तो आप तो सर के साथ आ गए थे, तो बताइए एक्सपीरियंस. सलमान सर बोलिए.
अभी के बारे में
वैसे भी सर
पहले
पूरी जो पिक्चर.
देखिए ऐसा है कि आज मैं अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. लोग ऑफ बीट सिनेमा की बात करते हैं, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की बात करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ एक बात ये पूछना चाहता हूँ किसी भी एक आम शख्स से कि वो पहली फिल्म है, वो पहली फिल्म कौन सी है जो आपने अपने पैसों से देखी है? तो मेरी वो पहली फिल्म है मैंने प्यार किया. वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू होती है और मैं 17 बार देख चुका था, 16 बार देख चुका था और 17वीं बार देखने के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. तो मैंने अपनी हिस्ट्री की और हिंदी की बुक्स तराजू पे रख दी थी और ₹2.5 मिला था और मैंने 17वीं बार वो फिल्म देखी थी. तो आज मैं उसी टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, राजश्री और सलमान भाई के साथ, और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है और बहुत ही मजा आया और फैमिली है पूरी और प्यार ही प्यार है इस फिल्म में.
वो तो सर पूरा दिख ही रहा है. बहुत खूबसूरत एनवायरनमेंट है और खूबसूरती के साथ हम खत्म तो नहीं करें, लेकिन स्वरा beautiful setup. It's looking fantastic. It just feels nice to be part of such a huge setup. So you've been traveling all over. You're seeing all kinds of cinema, and now Salman sir ka jadoo along with Suraj ji ka jadoo. So being part of this magic. Let's talk about that.
I think Sonam talked about कैसे बचपन से उनका सपना था सलमान सर की हीरोइन बनने का, एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में हर लड़की का होता है. मेरा ही दिमाग शायद थोड़ा खराब था कि सलमान सर की बहन बनने का सपना देखा मैंने शायद. No, I'm just joking. I'm very proud and honored to be here. I think that perhaps it's a very good-looking film. Suraj sir's film, Salman sir's film, Rajshri Productions. Everything is beautiful and big. I think they've had to work the hardest on making me look beautiful and part of this family.
So, isn't she the most beautiful?
But I think that it's been wonderful. And मुझे याद है एक दिन हम एक song shoot कर रहे थे and मैं खड़ी हुई थी और setup चल रहा था and Suraj sir was standing next to me and I just had, you know, एक वो moment होता है ना realization का कि दिल्ली से उठ के एक लड़की आ गई and I'm like shit यार मैं सलमान खान की फिल्म में हूँ, सूरज बजाती है मुझे डायरेक्ट कर रहे, क्या बात है. So that's really how I feel about this.
Casting was the most difficult because no.
Don't tell this story. It is not a flattering story.
ये story वो media को जरूर आप बताना. I'm excited as well. I'm going to open out to the entire media. So first question.
Yeah.
We're back.
My question is to Salman sir. Nobody plays Prem better than you. And you have played so many characters of Prem. Which is your favorite?
When Suraj Bhajatia directs me as Prem,
Yeah.
that is by far the best Prem I've ever done.
Thank
Because
you.
you see him in me, you don't see me. So what you see of me is all him.
That's nice. Thank you. Right.
Hi, sir. Suraj sir, this is Urvi here. To your
Extreme left, sir.
To your left.
Yeah, top
Hi.
left.
Sir, recently Salman sir had said at the Hero trailer launch that one Suraj has always supported him and he wants to support another Suraj. What do you have to say about this compliment about Salman that he has given?
He keeps saying this every time. But I've done nothing. I was nothing. He was nothing. Both of us had nothing to lose, nothing to win. Maybe it is the S that we share in our first names. I don't know.
My name is Anupam.
There's one girl, Shabina Dutt, who I cannot forget, who told me one day that there is a boy. Shabana Dutt, huh? There's a boy I've done an ad with. Maybe you like him as a hero. But honestly, Maine Pyar Kiya, he's here in front of me, not because of the actor, but because of that human being. Precisely, and that's what he is.
Salman con man.
Because of the person he is. So that's his credit. He is today much beyond all of us, but that's what he is. So this Suraj, that's always in his mind.
सूरज जी, यहाँ बैठे सारे लोगों ने कहा कि भारतीयता आपकी फिल्मों में रसी बसी रहती है, लेकिन जो आपने अनकंडीशनल लव की बात कही या जो प्रेम की परिभाषा, वो आज की भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी में उतनी मासूम और खूबसूरत है जितनी आपकी फिल्मों में दिखाई देती है.
बस मैडम यही जंग है. Because if you see, we are all the same. At the bottom of our heart, we are all the same. बस वो ऐसी भागा दौड़ी में we forget the simple things in life. So that is my biggest quest, to get back that values in some way or the other, not to let him. When I have this cast, and when I have this subject where I can say it, I don't want to lose it. Because finally, at the end of, as you grow older and older, you realize that how happy your children are, that is all that matters.
आगे जो एक्सटेंशन ये है कि आपके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है, आप कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप हैं, और जैसा कि इन लोगों ने बताया कि आप बहुत शांति से, बहुत खूबसूरती से सारे चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो किस तरह से कर पाए आप?
बहुत मैंने भी हीरोइनों को रुलाया है, आज के मैंने बहुत सब किया. नहीं, अब आफ्टर ऑल दिस देन यू रियलाइज व्हेन एक्चुअली मैंने प्यार किया. Doesn't remember.
No, I don't remember. What happened?
So I've done all that, but finally I realized कि चीखने चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता.
Hi, Salman.
Because finally it is always, you have to have, we all human beings, we all have our moods and everything, and finally it is the creation. We all fighting actually to create, correct? So it doesn't matter if someone loses temper. You have to go.
Yes, he yelled.
Salman
In
from...
Maine Pyar Kiya, he yelled. His yelling ka, no, please don't do this now.
Hi, Salman. Towards your left.
Yeah.
Hi. Salman, you just praised Surajji. Can we say that Surajji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates on screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you?
See, all the movies that are doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Bhajatia film and you come out of the theater, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality now.
Salman sir, another question.
From Rekha to Sonam, you've worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Salman sir, here towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. In these few years, you've played different characters and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you missed being Prem? People have missed you as Prem on screen. How much have you missed?
I missed being Prem so much that I did a film called Ready. with Anees Bazmi. And we tried to make it a Suraj Barjatya film with Anees Bazmi kind of comedy. And I was called Prem in the film.
And how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem then?
That much.
That much. That's why he did that film.
Naya aaya hai ye.
Hi. Good evening.
Hi, Salman.
My question is to
Hi,
Bhushan sir.
Salman.
Over here.
One sec. Yeah, so we'll stick to that. One sec. We'll stick to that left zone and then come to the you. Yeah, go.
Music has played a very important role in all Suraj Barjatya films. And this film has 9 songs and you just have 40 days for the release. So how do you plan to market the music of the film?
We are planning every week now. Every week one song we are planning. So we have 5.
And when can we expect the full album to be out?
10th of October.
Thank you.
5 months after the release.
Hi, Salman.
While the film is still in the theaters and not getting tickets.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film, right in front.
Actually, to the right.
In this film, we see you in 2 avatars. One is the innocent Prem, and one is a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying sawal Suraj Barjatya will give you.
Hello, मेरा सवाल सोनम से है.
You need to see the film. For that, I mean, that's our film. We can't open a film. You know, we're not going to say there's 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film, you were going through a difficult time in your personal life.
I'm always going through that difficult time. That does not reflect on the film. So whenever I'm going through a difficult time in my life, my work on film is that much better. So please, remember that. And then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film. Because we worked a lot on that, in that difficult time, on that film.
Right, so that was my...
Hello.
And I'm still going through it, and I'll keep on going through it. That's my share of karma.
Hello, Sonam ji. Aarti Saxena. आपका
Shala Saxena साहब से
Aarti ji, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रही है. Can you? She's again on the left side. You got concentration on the left.
सोनम जी, मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपका बचपन से ड्रीम था सलमान जी के साथ काम करने का. तो जब वो आपके सामने थे फर्स्ट सीन में, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं आपको बोलूँगी. आई थिंक मैं करीब 14 साल की थी और सलमान सर डैड के साथ एक फिल्म करते थे. आई थिंक वाज अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस और मैं यूजुअली पापा के
अनिल कपूर साहब मेरे दोस्त थे, अब मैं सर हो गए.
और मैं यूजुअली उनके सेट पे मुझे आई वाज नॉट अलाउड कि वो बोलते थे कि यू नॉट अलाउड टू कम ऑन सेट और ये वो. बट आई सेड प्लीज़ अब सलमान खान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं, प्लीज़ मुझे आने दो. द फर्स्ट एंड ओनली टाइम आई बीन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट, नॉट इवन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट, आई वाज सिटिंग इन द वैन and I get to see Salman Khan. He sat with me for around an hour. He doesn't remember this, and he's spoken to me. And obviously, I must have traumatized him. But
can we ask you what you guys chatted on?
I have no idea.
I met her one day. We all went for a family holiday. We went to Goa. I saw this one person sitting in front of me at the age of 14, now 15, as Salman Khan. I said, "What are you doing?" So I said, "You go, change and come back."
He still says, "What are you doing? Go change and come back." That's not
low
change.
Top. I said, "You क्या है?" I said, "Go right now." She got so upset with me.
हेलो सलमान जी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. यही. शरद सक्सेना.
We're very businesslike today at the press conference, aren't we? No like reactions to all the answers. What happened, man? I'll do it 10 minutes more. You know, like we can react.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो पिक्चर का नाम है, लेकिन असल जिंदगी में लोग सलमान रतन धन पायो पाना चाहते हैं. तो ये जो धन है, ये स्विस बैंक में जाएगा कि ये बड़ी हीरोइन के बैंक में जाएगा कि ये एक आम लड़की की जिंदगी में जाएगा?
ये पूरा धन आप अपने में समा सकती हैं.
नहीं, मुझे इसका सही जवाब
कैमरास उधर पॉइंट करो, फिर समझ में आएगा.
नहीं, मेरे पास मेरा सलमान है.
और अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ बच गया तो बांट देना.
नहीं, प्लीज अगर आप जवाब देंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा
आपको.
सलमान जी, शैलेंद्र. ओके, सॉरी.
इतना पॉज हो गया कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया.
स्विस बैंक, ये हीरोइंस या आम लड़कियां? इसमें से कहाँ ये सलमान धन जाएगा?
स्विस बैंक में तो नहीं जाएगा। ये ऑप्शन अपन बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे।
सलमान जी, शैलेंद्र सिंह, न्यूज नेशन से। आप प्रेम रतन धन पायो के मुख्य रत्न हैं।
इतने बड़े स्टार हैं?
हाँ, नहीं, आप प्रेम रतन धन के मुख्य रत्न हैं। पीएम मोदी ने 9 रत्नों में से एक रत्न आपको चुना था स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के दौरान। आपने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए क्या किया और आप अपने काम से, उस काम से कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
एक साफ सुथरी फिल्म की।
ये सलमान जी से, सलमान जी प्लीज आप जरा इस पे।
सर, आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो?
बिल्कुल फॉलो करता हूं। लेकिन मैं सुनना चाहता हूं सर।
नहीं सर, अगर आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो तो फिर अगर आपका मायना ये है सवाल से कि वो सिर्फ एक फोटो सेशन था, नहीं सर। हम लोग हर महीने 11 लोगों को 100 लोगों को नॉमिनेट करते हैं और 11 लोगों को कुछ न कुछ हमारी तरफ से गिफ्ट दिया जाता है।
सर, कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं
आप?
नहीं, अपने काम से आप कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से?
सर, ये अभी तो शुरुआत है सर, आगे देखो होता है क्या सर।
थैंक यू।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, आप दोनों से मेरा ये सवाल
स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन बीइंग ह्यूमन ने इसको हमारे लिए एक इनिशिएटिव ले लिया है और ये अब हमारा हो गया है। स्टार्ट उन्होंने किया था, उन्हीं का है, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है। ज़्यादा करके सूरज जी की फिल्मों में जो भी लीड कैरेक्टर होता है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से फैमिली लाइफ और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हैंडल कर पाता है। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी, क्या रियल लाइफ में भी आप इतनी अच्छी तरह से बैलेंस कर पाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स वो पोर्ट्रे करते हैं फिल्म में?
आई थिंक हमें ये पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती हूँ, but I try my very best. Oh God, क्या हुआ?
They want to know personal life.
I don't know. I try my very best to be the best person that I can be. How is your personal life?
My personal life.
Are you handling it? Are you balancing it?
How do you balance family and personal life? Oh, sorry, personal and professional life.
There is no difference between any of them for me, because I work with friends, I work with family, and if I don't know them, I make sure that I make them friends and family. So it's, otherwise you can't be happy and you can't give it your best till the time you don't like the people that you're working with. If you don't like somebody, then you don't do the movie. But if you like the movie so much, then you make sure that you get along with everybody on the sets. ताजमहल मोहब्बत से बनता है, नफरत से थोड़ी बनता है।
Alright, last 2 questions.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल।
एक सेकंड। जिसने नहीं पूछा है पहले उससे।
मेरा रहता है।
सलमान भाई, मेरा सवाल सूरज जी से है कि
पहले लेडीज और फिर उनका। हाँ, बोलिए।
आपकी हर फिल्म प्रेम के बिना पूरी नहीं होती, वैसे ही आपकी हर फिल्म में आलोकनाथ जी नजर आते हैं, इस फिल्म में वो कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहे।
आलोक जी के रूप में हमारे पास खेर साहब आ गए।
मैं हमेशा से था।
डबल रोल कर रहे खेर साहब।
नहीं, बाकी रोल ही नहीं था, बहुत कोशिश की।
कोशिश की आलोक जी ने मेरा रोल करने की।
अनुपम सर, there's no Monish as well this time. There's no Monish as well.
Salman sir, Anupam sir, you have worked with a lot of powerhouse talents, all the Khans, all the Kapoors. Tell us, you know Salman sir very closely. Tell us what separates him, what makes him the real Prem, the real being human in your eyes.
Well, I don't want to make comparative studies, but I think Salman is complete heart. And I was working with him in this film after a long gap. And the kind of evolved person that he is, the kind of real person, you know, you can't fake it for a long time. You can't, the whole world cannot say that you are a nice person and you can't fake it. So I think he's very real. He actually listens to you. He doesn't pretend that he's listening to you. And I'm very happy and very fortunate that I've worked with him in terms of him as a person. And when you know Salman as a person, you feel a richer person. So we are all richer people over here, and that's the way kind of person he is. And I think it's very difficult in this profession to be for such a long time and to be real. It's the most difficult thing. And the more successful he is becoming, the more real and more human he is becoming.
Salman, going back in time.
So we'll wrap up here.
I also want to, on this note, I want to just one sec. You see, we are on a Suraj ji ne baat shuru ki thi, and since I think I am the senior most apart from Kumar, I want to thank each and every unit member of this film. All the assistant directors on behalf of all of us, all the camera assistants, all the light boys, all the spot boys. It is their vibrations which has made this film fantastic. So thank you to all of them on behalf of all of us for making this film work.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue this. Y'all will all have individual opportunities eventually later as well.
One more question, Salman. Your poster has been appreciated a lot, and your poster has been appreciated a lot. The fans are going crazy on Twitter. Fans have also been drawing comparisons with the posters with Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Do you find any resemblance at all?
Really?
आपका एड्रेस पूछ रहे हैं मन में ये.
That was a nice poster as well.
I think this is better.
You have to.
Oh, acha. Oh, okay. That was a really nice poster. And this is also really beautiful. I think very pretty.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll just finish off with a photo op, sir. If you could all come in front.